battery. So it's very important that we have 7 seats. Malaki yung room for long legs din. Tapos hybrid pa siya. So it's very, although new, but it will be very efficient for fuel. Since ang sabi nga, pag 40 pababa, it will utilize yung battery. Tapos pag more than yung fuel. So very efficient siya. With Lawrence naman, is very efficient in updating me sa lahat ng requirements. Pina-follow up niya ako kahit gabi na. So, maganda naman talaga yon kasi I'm very secured na inaasikaso yung papeles and confident din ako na ma-approve ako kasi binibigay niya lahat ng tips para ma-approve.
Thank you so much and congratulations, ma'am. Picture.